Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to make your account private on TikTok. Well, in today's video, I want to teach you how to make your account private TikTok. First thing you want to do, open up your TikTok. After you open up your TikTok, click on your profile on the bottom right corner. After doing that, click on your profile, click on the three horizontal lines on the top right there. After doing that, click on the settings and privacy. After clicking on settings and privacy, you will see below account privacy. After clicking on privacy, as you can see right now, my account is on private. So with a private account, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Your existing followers won't be affected. As you can see right now, here you go. So we're gonna switch it to public right now. So as you can see, it's public right now. So anybody can search up and look at my account or see what I'm posting here on my TikTok. So once we turn it back to private, it will now be on private mode. So a little bit of tip for you guys, you can also suggest your accounts to others. So what this means, if people, like for example right here, suggest your account to your phone contacts if you want, and Facebook friends if you also want, but you can also turn them off like that and that, so it won't come up to them. So for example, you have a your phone, you have friends on your phone and they're on TikTok as well, and the registered number is there as well, you will be able to see them on your TikTok. But as you can see right now, I've turned them both off. So when I will not see them recommendation of my contact numbers on my TikTok account. So there you go, guys. So yeah, there you go, guys. And here you can see all the interactions, downloads, like, and who can see them, and people that can see them. And right here, for example, let's say your favorite, yeah, make public. So when make this public, everything on your favorite or your favorite that you put on your TikTok will be shown to others. As you can see right now, there you go, it's all off, and downloads off, likes only for me, display is on. So yeah, there you go, guys. Direct messages, you can also change the direct messages right here. Read status, safe mode, and safe mode, what this does, messages that may be from unsafe source will appear to be filtered requests until you reply to them. There you go. So yeah, there you go, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.